So today is Exchange Day. This is a one time each year where all of the exchange sponsors celebrate our exchange visitors that are here in the USA. We also like to celebrate through volunteering. And this year we're doing a beach cleanup.
We're here in beautiful Crissy Field celebrating Intrax's Exchange Day by trying to help clean up the beach. Just think it's so important, and at the same time that we're showcasing the importance of exchange around the world, we're also helping different communities with different challenges.
All across the country, we have staff, we have host families, host companies celebrating with our participants.
It's a great opportunity to do something positive for the environment and also celebrate the power of volunteerism in the United States and just in general supporting and promoting the idea and the positive experience of cultural exchange and giving back to our community.
Girls, we're super excited to be here, huh?
Yeah.
What are we doing? Are we cleaning up garbage?
Yes.
Yes. Why are we doing it?
Because it's good for the air.
And the environment. Yeah, so
And the earth.